If you say these sentences, your English sounds wrong. Today, I will correct common English mistakes beginners must stop making. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. Mistake number 1. I have 20 years. Wrong. I am 20 years old. Repeat. I am 20 years old. Mistake number 2. She have a car. Wrong. She has a car. Repeat. She has a car. Mistake number 3. I am agree. Wrong. I agree. Repeat. I agree. Mistake number 4. I know understand. Wrong. I don't understand. Repeat. I don't understand. Mistake number 5. More better. Wrong. Better. Repeat. Better. Mistake number 6. He don't like coffee. Wrong. He doesn't like coffee. Repeat. He doesn't like coffee. Mistake number 7. I am here since 2 hours. Wrong. I have been here for 2 hours. Repeat. I have been here for 2 hours. Mistake number 8. She is married with a doctor. Wrong. She is married to a doctor. Repeat. She is married to a doctor. Mistake number 9. Depends of the situation. Wrong. It depends on the situation. Repeat. It depends on the situation. Mistake number 10. Open the TV. Wrong. Turn on the TV. Repeat. Turn on the TV. If this video is helping you, subscribe now and improve your English every day. Let's continue. Mistake number 11. Close the light. Wrong. Turn off the light. Repeat. Turn off the light. Mistake number 12. I am boring. Wrong. I am bored. Repeat. I am bored. Mistake number 13. I am very exciting. Wrong. I am very excited. Repeat. I am very excited. Mistake number 14. I have a question to you. Wrong. I have a question for you. Repeat. I have a question for you. Mistake number 15. I go to home. Wrong. I go home. Repeat. I go home. These are common mistakes beginners make. Listen again. Repeat again. Practice every day, and your English will improve fast. See you in the next lesson.